Hi. So, share ko lang yung free tool by Finest app. Allocation calculator siya, web-based. So, kahit saan pwede nyong ma-access using your browser. So, goal niya is to help you plan ng allocation nyo between your digital banks. So, let's do a demo about it. So yun, yung step 1, enter how much you want to allocate. So mine is 1,994,784.44. So, yung digital box ko, gawin muna natin yung allocation ko currently. And then, let's see kung pag inallocate natin siya differently, kung makakakuha tayo ng mataas na return out of our savings. So I have Bangko, GoTime, Maribank, Maya, and OwnBank. So yun. As you can see, upon choosing the selected bank, lumalabas na kagad sila dito sa center part para doon na mag-allocate. You can use this scroll, allocating 100%, 50%, or you can edit this one. So, mas madali pag i-edit na lang yung value. So, try natin. 98 yung nilagay ko dito. Dito sa GoTime is meron akong 14,679.10. So, sa Maribank, meron akong 149,8802.21. Maya, I have 97,488.90. Then this one, I have sa OwnBank 282,766.74. And sa Maya ko, since I've been saving there for quite a while, so ginagamit ko naman siya or yung mga boosted interest niya. So, dito nyo lang siya ilalagay. So, at this moment, or when recording this video, I have 5% interest or additional 1.5 boosted interest. So, ito yung i-expect ko na makuha. And ito yung nakukuha ko daily. So, let's see kung kasi nagbago na ng rate si GoTime and si Maribank. So, probably, I'll be switching or I'll be distributing yung mga value nila sa ibang digital bank. So, this tool can help me decide kung saan ko sila ilalagay. So, kung tatanggalin ko si GoTime at si Maribank, so retain ko lang si Maya at si OwnBank. So, i-max ko na to. Siyempre, 100 na. Then, 5% pa rin. Then, i-max ko din to. 1, 2, 3. So, 1 million kay Bangko. Anything beyond 1 million kasi will accumulate 0.065 na lang. 0.065 rate. Hindi na 5%. So, I'll cap it at 1M. And OwnBank, lalagay ko na sa kanya yung matira. Since sa Maya, nakakap na rin ako ng 100k. So, yun. Bumaba yung daily ko kasi yung nagbibigay na lang sa akin ng daily is yung Maya and yung OwnBank. Pero mataas yung monthly na magigain ko. Kasi monthly yung distribution ni Bangko. So, yun. By distributing my savings well, nakagain ako ng approximately 1.3 or 1 to 80 something. So, that's an additional na good thing to have na din. So, yeah, this tool is free. No login, no sign-ups required. Gamitin nyo lang siya to plan your allocation. Yun lang.